Hey everyone, Bigfoot here. Beautiful morning in the Nevada desert. Planning to explore some of those rock formations over there.
Wait, do you guys hear that? That buzzing sound? Okay, that thing is definitely following me. Let me get behind these rocks.
Hello up there. I see you watching me. Who's flying this thing? Whoa! It just dropped something.
There's a note here. It says, "Welcome to the desert, Bigfoot." From your fans at Desert Research Station.
Thank you, whoever you are. This totally made my day.
Well, folks, that was unexpected. Just goes to show you never know what kind of surprises the desert might bring. Until next time, keep exploring.